Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Problem 3 on the board.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Please don't be mean. Up next, jumping jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Up next, side deep squats. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest time.
Taman, your sister's hair looks so cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arm circles. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Rest time. Awesome. You've been exercising for 3 minutes already. Keep going. Don't stop.
Hey guys, today we are trying Adapted Mind. I'm so excited to try this game. I've heard really good things.
Up next, burpees. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Open page number 15 and grammar. Can you see the book?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We can hear the pages, but we can't see. No, ma'am. Now we can see. Ma'am,
Yeah, ma.
ma'am.
We're doing 14th, no?
Ma'am, ma'am, I complete ma'am. All, ma'am. 17. Ma'am, I complete 59 page, ma'am.
No, did
Ma'am,
we do
I
or
just
not?
ma'am, one. Ma'am, we are in 16th and ma'am, 59 page number.
Oh, we need to start C, I guess. C, Ria tells
Ma'am,
and
we
all.
are in B bit.
B bit only. B bit which one?
14th one, ma'am.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
ma'am.
Anyway, we will do. No problem. We'll once again revise. Someone read 14th one.
14th one, ma'am. The cat drank a bowl of milk.
Very good. Vanya, 15th one. Sana.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanya.
Ma'am, and Vanya,
Yeah, Vanya.
15th
Read.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. We dash
Don't tell dash. Just like how someone tell directly tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. We go.
What is the past tense of go?
Went, ma'am.
Then please read the sentence quick.
We went past the director,
Not director, actor. Actor's bungalow.
actor's bungalow yesterday.
Sana, 16th one. Quick.
My father watered the plants in the morning.
Yeah, watered. Sahasra SV, 17th.
Yes, ma'am. Last night, I narrated
Narrated.
a story to my baby sister.
Very good. Manvita, 18th. Manvita, don't go anywhere.
Yes, ma'am. Last month, my brother won a prize in the painting competition.
Very good. Win at 1. Puneet Kumar, 19th. Quick. Puneet Kumar.
Okay, ma'am. I dash blow.
Don't tell dash. Tell the blue fast tense of blow.
Blue.
Read now.
I blew out the candles on my birthday cake.
Very good. Chaitra, 20th one.
We bought a new car last Sunday.
Ashwant, 21st one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Mother drove the car carefully last night.
Yeah, my mother drove the car. 22nd. Darsh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's
22nd.
I packed my lunch box in this morning.
Very good. Manish, 23rd. Quick.
I baked a cake on Sunday. My friends loved the cake.
Excellent. Simon, 24th.
The children swam in the pool last Sunday.
Very good. Vikas, 25th.
She saw a fox in the bush yesterday.
Very good. Sahasra A, read C1 and do the first two blanks.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Tina, what did you do yesterday? Ria, I went shopping at
East End.
East End Mall. Tina, what did you buy? Ria, I bought a few dresses.
Very good. Dhruti, do the rest of the things. Did you visit the? Dhruti, continue from where Sahasra stopped. Did you visit the?
Did you visit?
Dhruti, read this. Please ask your sister or brother to leave the place. You concentrate here, please. Did you visit the? Okay. Vishnu, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Did you visit the new store is in the mall? Yes, I visited in store, but I did not buy anything. Everything was too
Expensive. What is expensive?
Ma'am, expensive means cost, ma'am.
Costly. Yeah, very good. I visited. I did not buy anything. Everything was expensive because it is simple past tense. Very nice. Jasmita Pranavi, finish this.
Yes, ma'am. Did you eat out? Yes, I ate at Pizza Nation near the shoe store.
Very good. Eat. Sorry, eat, ate. I'll show the answers. Please check.
Can you show the answers?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can't see the answer.
Yeah, I'm opening. Wait.
Ma'am, can you zoom it a little bit?
I will. Wait. Can you see answers?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now?
Ma'am, we cannot. Now, ma'am, we can see now. Ma'am, where is the answers, ma'am?
This one. B and C. Check your answers, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Adish, Puneet, Pravasti, Ashwant, Jessica, will you please turn on your videos? Who is in unmute mode? Somebody is talking behind. Can you please mute? Abraham, Pravasti, Shikhar, Darsh, Ritvik, Chaitra, Shai Shaitan. None of your videos are on. I cannot ask questions if you don't switch on your videos. Please follow the rules. Video should be on. You should be in mute mode until and unless you are asking You are answering some question. Immediately after you answer the question, immediately you should get back to the mute mode. And don't leave your place, and nobody should be there in your room. You are getting diverted.
All are correct, ma'am.
Okay. Whoever missed, you can write later.
Ma'am, Shastra, all are correct. Ma'am,
Go to the next.
in page number 60,
Hmm.
choose the correct option to complete the sentences I completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Me
I
too.
didn't
It's just
write,
Shastra.
ma'am.
I
Can
also
you
completed web.
Huh?
Ma'am, I didn't complete. Can you show?
You complete later. I'll anyway forward, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all the time.
Yes, Aishwatan. Can you please read this? Past continuous tense. Just guess the answers. We'll see. Choose the correct option to complete these sentences. Follow the basic rules. You will be able to do.
Now there is mute, unmute G.
Shai Shwetan Reddy. Can you please
Yes,
start?
ma'am.
Yes. The dog.
The dog dash.
No, just pick up the answer. Was or where and read the sentence. Dog
The dog was.
very good.
Next to
The dog was barking at
them.
them.
Okay. Sai Shwetan, I rarely see you. Is your video generally off?
No, he is not attending, madam.
What happened, sir?
He is very irregular and he is very lazy.
Oh, I don't
Not
see him
listening.
at all. Sai Shwetan is very rare name.
That's why we are planning to bring him to the school.
Yeah, but government has not issued orders.
No, we will take him to the principal.
That's better, sir. Please take him. Because it's high
Yeah.
time. Now we are going to have FA4 exams and then the followed up by final exams. At least now if he concentrates for these 2 months, he will fare with better marks. Otherwise,
Yeah. Read second one. Read.
Shai Shwetan, please, I'm giving chance. Read first to 5. You have to read.
5 up to 5. Second one, read.
I was student.
Is it student?
Read
STUDY.
the spelling.
What is STUDY? First
Studying.
Studying. You know, but yeah, that is what, madam. You knew, but you will not read.
Yeah.
Studying.
Lazy. Yeah, third
Lazy.
one.
Yeah.
Third one. The boy.
The boy.
The boy.
See, remember
The
Shai
boy.
Shwetan. Singular means was. Plural means were. Now you decide.
The boys were.
This you always do in the class. What is that?
Shouting.
Fourth one.
Madhuri dash was writing a letter.
Good. Fifth one.
Name, that is name, Midun.
Midun was reading a book.
Good, ma. Sir, if
you have to be very fast. Yeah.
can you please listen to me? You can call me later. I'll talk to him if you want.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah.
My classes will be over around 11:20. In between, before 1:30.
Okay.
Thank you. Who is left? Who didn't get chance to read? Last Chandrika, 6th one. Quick.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm Darshika. Can I read?
You got chance already. Last Chandrika, read.
Ma'am,
Done. I will give chance. Wait. The children.
The children were
Plural.
playing with toys.
Where or was?
Were
Very good. Pravasti, 7th one.
and what is it? In the room
Tia.
was decorating her
Yeah.
room.
Shikhar, 8th one.
Can I read?
Shikhar, 8th one. Shikhar. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
8th one.
He was singing a song.
Very good. Yeah, check your answers. Again, Adish, Abraham, Vishal, Sai Satvika, Shikhar, all your videos are off. How many times I should tell you in the class? Adish, please don't switch off your video. You have wonderful video now. Did you write?
All your turrets, ma'am.
Okay. So we use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was happening at particular point of time in the past. Okay, some action happened at some time in the past. For example, the dog was barking at them. Okay, it happened sometime in the past, maybe a few hours before or yesterday or few weeks before. It can be any time. And what is the format we should use? Was if it is singular. All of you please observe. Was if it is singular, oblique where if it is plural, plus verb plus ing. Okay, I'll show you on the board, you will remember. All of you please concentrate. Ruti. So first one is, for example, the dog was barking at them. So observe this. Was or where. If it is dogs, what will come?
Where?
Plus, yeah, plus bark plus ing. What is the ing form of bark?
Barking.
Okay, I will give you another sentence. You tell me.
Barking.
I dash.
I was studying.
Since I is singular, we will get was. Okay, very, very simple.
I is singular.
Yes. We will do some more sentences. Very, very interesting sentences. Okay. Adish.
Ma'am, it is very easy also.
Yes. Only you need to just think for a second. Then you will.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. Complete the sentences.
Ma'am, what
This A part.
Okay. I was studying.
No, ma. This one. Page number 60. Down one. A. Complete the sentences with the past continuous tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. That one first sentence.
Okay. I was singing.
No, this one under this. Just see my cursor, please.
Ma'am?
See my
Ma'am,
class.
you can. Ma'am, you are showing the whiteboard, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read on Chaitra? Ma'am, can I read?
Now, Adish, see. Chaitra, I will give you a chance. Wait.
Okay. The baby was sleeping.
Very good. The baby was sleeping. Since baby is singular, was. And what is the verb? Sleep. What is the ing form of sleep? Sleeping. Isn't it simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitra, second one. Jessica, be ready.
Maya was
Not Maya. Mother.
Mother was cooking. Mother is a singular form. So was cook. Cooking form is cooking.
Very good. Shaurya, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Maya was washing her clothes.
There is no her here. Okay.
Maya was washing clothes.
Very good. Abraham, fourth one.
Maya is singular is equal to was, and washed plus ing form equals to washing.
Excellent. Abraham. Vishal. Shikhar.
Ma'am, this is Shikar.
Shikhar, read fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. The children are rehearsing.
No, R will not come. Was or where it is past tense. R means present tense.
Rehearse.
Okay. So children is plural.
For the play.
Can you repeat?
The children was rehearsing
Very
the play.
The children were rehearsing. You know what are rehearsals, right?
Practice.
And
where all was, ma'am?
Where ma children is plural, isn't it? Child is singular.
Children is plural, so we'll get were.
Children is plural, child is singular.
Very good. Jessica, fifth one. Quick. PB Jessica.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one. Quick.
Jack.
Jaya.
Ma'am, third one and fifth one are same, ma'am.
No problem. PB Jessica, read fifth one. Jaya.
Jack
Why are you saying Jack?
was
J-A-Y-A. Jaya.
Jaya was washing clothes.
Very good. Sana, sixth one.
Okay, ma'am. The merchants
Mechanic. You know the mechanic, right?
mechanic is repairing the car.
How is? It is past tense. Past continuous tense.
Were.
Mechanic is singular.
Was, ma'am. Was repairing.
Very good. Chaitra, you already said. Vanya, seventh one.
Okay, ma'am. The birds were chirping.
Chirping. Sahasrayasvi, eighth one.
Yes, ma'am. The wind was
Blows.
for
What is the continuous form of blow?
blowing.
The wind was blowing fiercely. Saman, ninth one.
Ma'am, Chaitra, mine's over.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am. I was reading a book.
Very good. Shikhar, why are you not responding?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times I called you? Just 5 minutes before. Please show your video. Okay, 10th one. Ashwant, the people.
The people were shouting.
Very good. The people were shouting. I'll show the answers. Check. Shikhar, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Ashwant, are you writing?
Writing, ma'am.
Sai Shweta,
Ma'am,
are you writing?
ma'am. Ma'am, all are correct.
Hmm. Nagasatvik, I didn't give you chance, no? Remind me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you now.
Ma'am. Which one should I read, ma'am?
Wait, let them write it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
third one and fifth one are same, ma'am.
Yeah, only the name changed.
Ma'am,
Chaitra mine's over.
Yeah. Check your answers.
Ma'am, not that one. From question for this sentence.
Why did you
Form
write?
question.
Why did you write without me telling you? Anyway, check later, okay? Let's come back to
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Now read the set of questions and answers. He was coming home. How did you frame the sentence? Since he is singular, was he coming home? They were sleeping. Since the they is plural, the question is, were they sleeping? I was driving carefully. Here, was I driving carefully? So form questions for these sentences. First one is, Priya was singing a song. So since Priya is singular, start the sentence with was. Was Priya singing a song? Okay, this is how you need to frame. Nagasatvik, try second one. No problem if it's wrong.
Second one, ma'am.
Yeah, first read the answer, then frame the question.
They were sleeping. Were they sleeping?
Not that one, B. B, first
B
one
bit.
is done. Second one we have to do.
B bit, ma'am.
Yeah. In B bit, second one.
He was driving a sport car.
Yeah.
Was he driving a sport car?
Can you repeat?
Was he driving a sport car?
Sports car. Okay, very good. Was he driving a sports car? Put a question mark at the end. Chaitra, tell third one.
Were they studying English?
Very simple. Were they studying English? Anvita, fourth one. First read the answer.
Ma'am, last week question mark. Was she washing? Last we should keep question mark,
Yeah,
ma'am.
because we are
Finished, ma'am.
framing questions as we are framing questions, you need to put question mark. Yeah,
Ma'am,
Anvita, you are
finished.
Anvita, can you repeat? Vishnu was talking.
Ma'am, I kept question answers first
She
on
was
Chaitra.
washing. She was washing clothes. Was she washing clothes?
Yeah, was she washing?
She washing.
Who didn't get chance? Okay, Vikas.
Ma'am, Shaurya.
Okay, Shaurya, you did.
Ma'am, can you tell? Ma'am, can you repeat fourth answer?
I will keep all the answers. Wait, Vishnu, please note. Shaurya, you tell.
I was playing chess.
No,
Was
fifth
I
one.
playing chess?
Fifth one, you didn't write. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. She was writing a letter. Was she writing a letter?
Very good. Vikas.
Yes, ma'am. Was I playing chess?
You told the answer or question?
Answer, ma'am.
What is it?
I was playing chess.
Yeah.
Was I playing chess?
Was I playing chess? Sai Shaitan, seventh one.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one.
First read the answer, please.
Arjun.
Arjun was
Waiting.
Waiting for the bus.
Yes. Can you frame sentence? Question. Was
Arjun.
Arjun is waiting for
No, there is
the
no
bus.
is. Just
No,
simply.
is.
Just
Was Arjun
write
waiting?
as it is. Was Arjun
Was Arjun
waiting?
waiting for the bus?
Okay. Will you try eighth one also?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence first. See, Sai Shwetan, it is so interesting. Why do you want to miss class? At least from today, will you attend all the classes, all subjects?
Ma'am, can I tell eighth one?
I'm talking to Sai Shwetan. Okay, will you promise me that you will attend all the classes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are a very good boy. At least from now, please don't miss. Studies are so interesting if you put concept, if you focus. Okay? Continue, Mike.
The cat was chasing the mouse.
A mouse.
A mouse.
In a similar way, form the question.
Was cat.
Was cat chasing a mouse?
Very good. You know what is the meaning of chasing?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Chasing, you don't know.
Chasing also.
By the way, you don't know. Give the answer to madam.
I know, ma'am. I am confused.
How to express, you don't know? No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show?
Yeah, I'm showing you.
Ma'am, Satvik, I know, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Sana. All are correct, ma'am.
Vishal, now you are showing the video.
Satvik, I know, ma'am.
Why didn't you turn video earlier?